Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what is, without a doubt, one of the best smart home starter kits on the market. The YoLink Smart Home Starter Kit with Hub and Water Leak Sensor 4-pack. Whether you're a homeowner, landlord, or just someone serious about home protection, this is a product you'll want to hear about. Let's jump in. At the heart of the system is the YoLink Hub. This is the brains of your smart home monitoring operation. It connects via Ethernet or Wi-Fi and serves as the gateway for all your YoLink devices. Paired with this hub are 4 powerful water leak sensors, each equipped with a 105 decibel audio alarm. That's loud enough to get your attention from the next room, or even the next floor. Now let's talk about the real magic, the technology behind the sensors. YoLink uses LoRa, or long-range radio communication, to link each sensor to the hub. Just scan the QR code with the YoLink app, assign it a name like washer or water heater, and place the sensor where leaks might occur. Under your sink, beside your water heater, near your sump pump, wherever water is a threat. And here's the best part. The moment water touches the bottom of the sensor, not only will it trigger the built-in siren, but you'll also get an instant notification through your preferred channels. You can get push notifications on your phone, SMS text alerts, and even email messages. Whether you're at home or away on vacation, you'll know the moment a leak starts. That kind of peace of mind is hard to come by. There's also a built-in freeze warning function. If the temperature around the sensor drops to freezing levels, you'll be alerted before pipes have the chance to burst. It's not just about water detection, it's about preventing damage before it even starts. Of course, the YoLink smart home system integrates seamlessly with Alexa and IFTTT. That means you can set up routines like turning on smart lights or sending custom alerts when a leak is detected. You can even use it to trigger your smart thermostat or shutoff valve if you have those connected. It's smart home protection that adapts to your ecosystem. Battery life is another major win here. The sensors are built for longevity. We're talking up to 5 years on standard AA batteries. So once you set them up, you won't need to worry about constant maintenance or battery changes. Whether you're a techie, a DIY homeowner, or someone setting up smart protection for elderly parents, this starter kit covers all the bases. Fast setup, reliable alerts, wide coverage, and compatibility with your favorite smart assistants. It's everything a smart home should be. That wraps up our review of the YoLink Smart Home Starter Kit. If you're looking to take the first step toward a safer, smarter home, this kit offers incredible value and protection that's hard to beat. This is Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dives into the best home tech. See you in the next video.